Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Module 2, Lesson 16. And in this lesson, we're showing how to do the Take FromTen with two different strategies, which is how to do the picture and do the number bond. The one on the left we're going to do first, which is for the picture or the math drawing. Now whenever we do the math drawing, we know that we're always going to draw that bigger number, which in this case is 15. Because we know that the problem that we're solving is 15 minus 9 equals blank. So we're going to draw 15 circles. And we know that we're going to draw them in the 5-group row, which means that once we have 5 in a row, we stop and we start a new row. So I drew my 15 circles. Now remember, in first grade, that 10's always going to be super important, so we're going to box in 10. So now once we box in our 10, we're going to take away our 9, because since it's 15 minus 9, we're going to take our 9 away. But we're going to take our 9 away from the 10 that's in the box. Once we do that, we're going to circle what is left. So now we just have to count to see how many is left. Well, there's 1 inside the box, and then 5 outside. So we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So our answer is 6. Okay, so now we're going to do, using the same number sentence, but we're going to do the number bond strategy instead. So whenever we have 15, we know we're going to break it into 10, 5, just like we did with the picture, whenever we boxed in that 10. So we know that it's going to be 10 and 5. Okay, so now our next step is that we're going to need to take 9 away from 10. Well, I'm going to cross out the 9 and cross out the 10 and show that we're taking 9 away from 10. Now we know that whenever we take 9 away from 10, we know that 1's left. Because once we know that 9 and 1 are 10 buddies, we know that if we take 9 away from 10, we know that 1's going to be left. Then our next step is that we are going to circle our leftovers, which is going to be 5 and 1. Because we got 5 was in our number bond and 1 was left once we took 9 away from 10. So we know that there's 5 and 1, so we can add those together. 5 plus 1. Oh, that's easy peasy. I know that 5 plus 1 is 6. So that means that 15 minus 9 is also 6. And then we just did the picture, and they're the same answer, so we've already pretty much checked our work. All right, guys, and that is it for this lesson.